What happened? ¿Qué está ahí? Hormigas. ¿Pero por qué hacen eso? ¡Mira! They look more like chocolate that fall down. Oh, Melissa! Dang! I'm cooler than anybody else. And I know everybody's gonna be like, right now. That means it's gonna be good.
¿Dónde andamos, Meli?
Aquí, Yogo.
¿Te da miedo?
Pretend we were playing a scary obby. A scary. No, not. I mean not a obby. A scary forest. And we have puppies. It's like in Roblox. I almost fell. I felt like that. Oh, Andy. If you feel fat Godzilla, that means it's gonna be Godzilla.
Una mariposa.
Well,
¿Dónde?
imagine you had a pet Godzilla and then you paid it homeless. And it turned
kidding. I was so scared of that part. I thought I was gonna die with my puppy.
Imagine, Melissa,
There was a good alligator.
No,
Like,
pretend you had a
And
Godzilla pet. And then you make it fat.
Okay.
And then it's gonna be Godzilla.
Oh, then it'll be like Fat Godzilla.
Yeah.
I'm Fat Godzilla. I'm the coolest one in the
Somebody
whole
called
world.
Godzilla Fat Godzilla. That means Fat Godzilla. And pretend there was a stick and then I just broke it.
And then Godzilla. Ooh. Ooh.
Pretend there was zombies.
Okay.
Melissa, they're zombies.
I already got a pickaxe. Diamond.
So we have to run.
Better run.
Melissa, they're zombies. Hurry.
Better run. Wow. Pretend the zombies were right behind us. Oh, hello, bros. Here, have some coffee. And then they were just chilling behind there, drinking some coffee, and then they didn't know.
Yeah. And then they were so slow, baby.
Yeah.
And
They
then
were like,
they were like, we should get them.
hey guys, I'm gonna make you some breakfast.
Then they're so slow.
I gave them some donuts so then they can turn fat. like a whole.
No, they break their teeth.
Guess what? I bring them a whole stick of donuts, and then they turn fat and they can't run.
They broke their teeth, but now they can.
Ma, yo no sé qué hicieron en esa casa. ¿Tomaron meterlos adentro?
A las escaleras sí.
No, papi, se la casa.
Parece que van a salir zombies. No te creas.
I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I tried so hard.
We can't even slide down there. Look, I know. It doesn't look good. Look, Melissa, I'm gonna slide down. Okay, good job. Just go back to your normal costume. Dun, 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 feel Sam. So that I can turn the profession. Oh no. I don't know how to turn them